Debbie is in court to claim £4,693.74 owed on various loans she has made to her daughter. Defendant Julie says there was no time frame attached to the loans, therefore she should not have to pay in one lump sum.
Now, do I have Debbie here?
Yes, Judge.
Thanks very much. And it's Julie, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Julie, that's Mum over there, correct?
Yes, Your Honour.
She's brought you to court.
Yes.
Happy about that?
No.
I wouldn't have thought so. You're here because over the years, Julie has taken money from you, good over bad, correct? In fact, she thinks she's got access to a wonderful bank. Used to be an advert called The Bank That Likes to Say Yes. Remember them?
Yes.
You're the bank that likes to say yes.
Yeah.
In 2010, you decided to move out of home, right?
Yes, Your Honour.
And you needed a flat. And so, what did you do, madam?
Paid the search fees, the deposit and the first month's rent.
What was the total?
£1,050.
How did you imagine she was going to pay it back?
I asked for it either fortnightly or monthly.
From what? What's nothing from nothing?
From the benefits she was getting.
I'm right, am I not, that if somebody had said to you, here's £1,000 and it'll get you a flat, but you're going to need to pay me back, you'd have said yes to anything, right?
Yes.
You must have known that.
I believed her.
You may have believed her.
Like a fool.
Well, one thing you did do was draw up, you claim, a document, which is a contemporaneous document. What that means is, you tell me in your case that at the time she took that money for the flat, you had a piece of paper where Julie signed, making it clear that she understood that in due course that money for the flat had to come back to you, correct?
Correct.
Understood. Let's see the document that I'm referring to. You signed for £1,050 and it says, money lending, only do you agree paying me back? If you agree, please sign. Now, there weren't very many court programmes around in 2010, madam. What on earth made you write this down on paper in 2010?
It's the only thing I knew what to do.
What it doesn't set out is when the money's due to be paid back. When was that?
Fortnightly or monthly.
Where does it say that?
It didn't.
For the next 3 years, she only paid you back, do you know how much?
£180.
£180. She effectively owes you nearly £1,000.
Yeah.
I assume the Bank of Mum would have shut at that point, correct?
Correct.
Not correct, madam, because the next part of your case is that you lent money to Julie for her and various other people to go on holiday to Florida, correct?
Correct.
How much? I can help. £2,580.
Yeah.
What was the deal in respect of this amount?
She knew that she was supposed to have paid me back. Well, I was actually paying it monthly over a 2-year period.
How much were you supposed to pay back?
We didn't actually agree on a figure. I did actually say £20 if she could.
Well, do you know how long that would have taken? £20 a week, £20 a month?
I'd have preferred that rather than nothing.
This was a huge amount of money to you.
Yeah.
Especially at that time in your life, correct?
Correct.
When circumstances, especially your health, began very seriously to change. You needed that money, right? And what did it do to you not to get that money back?
Hurt. Stopped me from being able to do things for myself that I needed.
The fact that you paid nothing resulted in the two of you not speaking, correct? How bad did it get, Julie?
My mum asked me about with paying the money back. I explained to her I couldn't afford it, and it did cause heated words where I did wrongly. I did accuse my mum of not helping me.
You received absolutely nothing from the 2010 debt, from the 2015 debt. We're now close to £3,000 of you getting zilch.
Yep. I just wanted to basically always be there for her, but I didn't really want it to be just bank and mum all the time.
So consequently, I assume, Mum, that you never lent her any further funds.
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Julie ended up in rent arrears on the 20th of January 2018.
Yeah.
£316.41, correct?
Correct, Your Honour.
Couldn't go elsewhere. Who did you go to?
My mum.
When is that money due back?
I wanted it to be Julie to learn, and she needed to get on the housing register due to circumstances that arose, and she couldn't go on it if it wasn't paid.
I believe you. You wanted to help, right? Now,
I wanted to help her, but I also wanted her to pay me back.
Let's have a look. 27th of March, £45. £20 in May, further 60, then another 40, then 80, then 40, then 40. And then, because you can't pay your phone bill, where do you go? It's got marvellous terms and conditions. They don't do any due diligence. They don't bother looking at the credit rating. It's just a marvellous place. Best bank in the world. Who did you telephone?
Bank of Mum.
Bank of Mum. Do you know, madam, the total debt as it currently stands today?
£4,693.74.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.